Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Sephora VIB haul. I was just waiting for the last couple of products to arrive before I can film this video. So I have two packages here actually. So Sephora VIB, usually they have a sale around November and one in April, but this year they also had it in September, so it was 20% off for the Rouge, 15% for the VIB, and for the Beauty Insiders it was 10%, which is not bad at all considering we almost never get Sephora sales, so it's a good time to stock up everything. So let's go through one by one. Let's first go through this one and then we'll open the new one. So first and foremost, I got the Foreo Luna. This is the mini one. I have been eyeing this for a very long time, but I did not get to buy it. So finally I, jumped on the bandwagon and I've heard great things about it. So with all the things over here, if you want to see a review of anything particular or want to know how everything is going on, leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get to it. So like I was saying, so this is the Foreo Luna, and I actually got a good deal out of it. When the VIB sale was going on, there was also this particular thing on their Sephora Wow sale, so it was actually already priced, marked down to almost $80 instead of the $120 or $119, and then you get 20% off that. So I'm really excited about this one here. The next thing that I'm very excited about is actually I got the Tatcha bestseller set. I actually ran out of my cleansers and exfoliators, and I wanted to get something that's really good for the skin. I've heard a lot of good things about Tatcha. First of all, their packaging. It's just so luxurious. Let's go ahead. Wow. And the inside looks like this. So it has a cleansing oil, it has the rice enzyme powder polished. I wanted the deep one, but the set came in this one, so I'm really excited for this one. I had a trial one and I loved it. I loved how soft and glowy my face looked. I have the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and the water cream. The water cream, guys, it's just amazing for oily skin people. It feels like you're putting water on your hand, that's it. On your face, sorry. So that's the Tatcha set. And the next thing I have my hands on is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation Powder. So this one was on sale, 50%, and then I had the 20% off from the VIB sale. This is in the shade Light Neutral, and it's a decent size. I use a lot of loose powders and powder foundations because of my oily skin. So this once again was at the part of the wall sale, so it was already 50% off at $24, and then we had the 20% off, so it was a good deal. The next couple of things I grabbed are, I actually grabbed one and bought one. So I have the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love this. I already have a full-size one, which I have hit pan on it, so you can imagine how much I like this one. Even though I'm oily skin, it doesn't break me out. It makes my skin look really smooth and it gives enough hydration as well. So I actually bought one and got one, the same thing. And after that, I also have a Diva Leave-In Conditioning Cream for my hair. As you can see, I have very, very curly hair. Sorry, the light is just... So I haven't tried anything from Diva Curl, so I'm excited to try this out. And I got the samplers of, I think this is from Sugar sample, and then there is a Drunk Elephant sample, and pretty much that's it from this box. Oh, I have another gel balm cleanser. I usually like to stock up on cleansers when I'm grabbing samples, because that's what I use when I'm going for hiking, camping, or anything of that sort. Now let's go ahead and open the other box. So the three samples I have are the conditioner and the shampoo from Amika, the Dr. Dennis Ultra Daily Cleansing Peel, and the perfume from Miu Miu. I actually already have a sample of this one. I love it. And the other two things are Nude Sticks. This Nude Sticks is a Canadian brand, and I have been eyeing this for a very long time. I have given gifts of Nude Sticks to other people and they love it, but somehow I never actually owned it. First of all, I love how they come in a tin packaging like this, and you can carry them anywhere, and then they're neatly packaged inside over here as well. I've heard such great things that they make your makeup, finish like that. It's super easy, it's super blendable, so I'm excited. That's the eye set. They also have a set where you have the eye and the lip together, but somehow I did not like the shades too much in that. It did also come with a highlighter, but I do not need a highlighter. It's a clear highlighter, and also a pouch, and I have enough pouches already. So that lip one also comes with 3 lip products, and I actually like the colors over here better. I think they suit me better, but I will be able to tell once I use them. So I have 3 lip products and 3 eye products. So that's what I have from Nude Sticks, and that's it. So these are all the things I got in the Sephora VIB haul. Let me know what other things you have got, and if you have any recommendations for the next VIB sale, which is probably going to be sometime in November. If you like these kind of videos, please give a thumbs up, click on the bell icon for more such videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time,